thing though. Yeah man, we reach with the big thing. H2O reach, you know? Grand Cayman again. Yeah. Shakespeare now. Yeah, no. We there now. Yeah, no. Kia woman, we rich.
Ropey. A vehicle. Rope is open.
Rope is up.
White one, Javert, he in the white one. Huh?
We are jumping on a white one, you know.
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. I drive in that one. Hi.
Yeah, man, we rich.
Well, it's
After years of
Well, is
preparation
on the one
there.
food?
Of course, we want
All
food.
right.
Food to the thing.
We
Yes.
want food and we want food and bread
Bread food and
All
bread.
right. All right. There you go.
Thanks.
Girl, come for the breadfruit thing. Chinga sing, everybody dancing. All girl too. We are the man dancing. No. Put a rose, everybody get around me. She says she love off the breadfruit. So do ching at Wendy's shop. Breadfruit of a race on a toe. Breadfruit.
Yo, if I'm cool, then I
People
yo.
don't want to the studio. Roast and fried girl in the studio turn a full dancer. You know what that's so we do it.
Everybody do the dance. Famous do the dance. Cookie do the dance. Everybody do the dance.
Capleton, you know, so we have a full house in the building. It's the Rhythm Station, Irie 98.9 FM, and we in air. So when we say in here, we get there. Guess who's in the house? A whole bunch of people. There are celebrities from all over the globe in the building right now. So, make we start over here. Yeah. We have the Tar League, the man himself, Mr. Breadfruit, Mr. Rice and Peas, Mr. Nacho. Got you?
Got you.
All right.
Roast or fry? You know the girl end up on the post and I cry.
All our headphones to make it ready. I mean, no one say ready. See there.
Yeah. And that a go on? What?
The chainsaw man is in the building.
Chainsaw man.
I'm kill him first. Give them a chainsaw intro first.
Ching 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 ching. I'm the chainsaw man. But that dumb if me not talk. Pro West and a stove tonight. You don't know Ching Ching in the building, ZJ Liquid in the building. You don't know Chromatic in the building. Shakespeare is here. You don't know Richie there here, the Amanda there here. You don't know. The whole of there, Travis there. You don't know. Yo, you see tonight, Waterfront, Georgetown. And that's all shoes a pint. Yeah, all shoes a pint. Georgetown tonight for the vibe. Because we bring the vibe and we have the vibe. And you know, vibe is the most selling product in the world, right? And we have it. Dumb if me not talk. Globe and a stove, Mr.
People,
Liquid, what about?
Mr. Michael Brissett in the house right now. Let me give him government name. See it?
Yeah, man, you know
This is one of the big, bad radio disc tracks in Jamaica, but him an artist, him a producer, and more than many at. All them have on a yellow hat today, and more than many at. Michael Brissett.
Yes,
DJ,
Mr. Kirk.
CJ.
What about
What's
Kirk?
happening? What is happening?
What's up? But then I mean, we're back on the, we're back on the ground. Came on another time. It's been like a year, and trust me, the place improve, place get nicer every time I forward. But it's all about prowess. That's the thing tonight. So people, make sure you start out on yourself. Make sure you start getting yourself together. Because you don't know chromatic there, liquid there, chiching there, puffy there both. You see me?
So, yo, what? I think we're not here so clearly for now. I would just fix up that talkerphone. I want to make sure it's up and like, give me an extra, some levels on it.
Check.
Alright, Mr. Check that one, yeah.
Check.
No, chiching here, everyone good. Alright, liquid again.
Check.
Alright, let me check that one, yeah. Them just sort them out of the engineer just in here, make sure some. Alright, you know what?
Yo, Liquid, say it where you say right
Yeah,
this one.
what? Go on there, better.
So we say we're there. Prowess. Tonight, people. And the whole team is in the building, and we're just ready for make Cayman have a good time like we always do. 'Cause you know what I mean? That is the aim, for please. The fans them. So you know it's going a cool face. Dancing, everything, people don't come out,
Remember, so this brother is a DJ, but he's an artist, So when I say him run out and take him just start DJ or something.
Yeah, man, kinda don't know, man. World where we live in, it crazy. Now if you do them nothing for them, hate
See it
we.
there?
We don't stop, want live a life. Want live a life. Me keep a smile on my face. Just to treat the cloth with them. I will tell ya. Look more a mad thing. Ladies, I know we have to think them phone too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Talking about all of this and all of that. There's a Liquid there, so guess what? We'll drop some songs and come back into more interviews. So stick and stay for more. Liquid in the building, people. Don't worry about it.
I'm downstairs checking out. I have to pay for something. Alright. I'm right at the moment.
Yep. Out of here. We are try.
Hey, the world I will live in, I crazy. Not doing nothing for them yet. Just a go and live my life. Want to live my life. We keep our smile for my fear. Just we check the post in there. Stop. Go here. They don't breathe.
They don't know, big up to the Cayman crew. We are lift up and now, mad move. Left the hotel, yeah. It was fun. They don't know, another time. Our history.